universe in my hands. I build my life on steady plans. Through sleepless nights and goals untold, I've learned that worth is forged in gold. Climb the sky, reach for more, find the truth you're working for. Each step higher, each breath new.